Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 14th, and this is my PM recap of the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So overall, a pretty sideways day today. That move up that I was talking about this morning did end up playing out in five waves, as you can see, and it definitely is three waves down. So I'm thinking this could be a lower high wave five right here. This is probably the wave five that I spoke about this morning that the market likely needed to make. If that's true, we already got a break of structure to the downside. So if that's true, I would actually expect it to go down to a much lower Fibonacci level, could end up even making a cut into this whole move up, which means it could go down anywhere between the 38 and the 78% Fibonacci retracement. So I do think there's a pretty good chance that if you are trading the short time phase, you probably should turn bearish, at least for now. This move down very likely could just be a cut into the last five waves up. So just keep in mind the trend is definitely still very heavily up on the higher time frames. It could literally just go down to the 38 to 78%, making like some sort of a three-way pullback, like an ABC correction, and it very easily could just end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.